Hey there, what is up you guys? I am Jerry and welcome back to the channel, The Chicago Griller. This is the show where I share my favorite tips, tricks, and recipes for the Weber Q. If you think that I could help you out, hit that like button and subscribe. So today I have a little bit of a special treat because I'm busting out this new toy today. I managed to find this Weber Q 1200 essentially being given away on Facebook Marketplace. It's in really good shape and it is super clean. But there was one thing wrong with it, and that was the burner tube wouldn't light up all the way. So I poked all the holes out and gave it a good cleaning, and now it's good to go for its first cook. So today, I think I'm going to try out a Gochujang honey glazed grilled shrimp on this Weber Q 1200. So while I get this thing preheated, let's head in the kitchen and prepare the glaze. Today, I am going to be grilling up 1 pound of peeled and deveined shrimp. These are jumbo shrimp today, about 16 to 20 per pound. To save a little bit of time, I've already rinsed and pre-skewered all of these shrimp. Once you've done that, you should be ready to oil and season. So grab your olive oil and sprinkle a little bit on both sides of your shrimp. Once I've drizzled both sides in olive oil, I'm ready to season. First up comes the salt. As usual, grind to taste. For me, that's about 1 teaspoon. Next up comes the pepper, also ground to taste. Then with your clean hands, press and pat the seasonings into your shrimp, then turn them over and repeat this process on both sides. Once you're satisfied, set the shrimp aside, grab a small bowl, and we could prepare the glaze. And the first thing we're going to add to this bowl is about 1 tablespoon of gochujang sauce. What this is a Korean chili paste. You could actually find this pretty readily available in most grocery stores now. Next up is the honey. Nothing special here, this is just regular clover honey. Squeeze about 1 to 2 teaspoons of honey into your bowl. Perfect. Now next up comes 2 teaspoons of mirin. Into the bowl that goes. Followed up with 2 teaspoons of soy sauce. And into the bowl that goes. Finally, we're going to mince 1 clove of garlic. And here that goes through my garlic press. And into the bowl it goes. Then grab a fork and whisk the ingredients all together. We're not going to add this to the shrimp quite yet, because the sugar content in the honey and the soy sauce will burn on the grill, so we baste that on later. So at this point, we're ready to head on out to the grill. So here on my front deck today, I have preheated this Weber Q 1200 to a medium-high heat, and I'm going to go ahead and lay these shrimp skewers directly across the grill grates. And as you can see, I am pressing down on these skewers to make sure that all the flesh and meat of these shrimp are in contact with the grates. And with all these skewers now on board, as usual, we'll shut the lid and let these cook. Shrimp cooks very fast on the grill, so after just 2 minutes, we're going to open up the lid and give these all a flip. And as you can see, the shrimp has already turned from a dull gray color and has already started to turn white, opaque, and orange. This is exactly what I'm looking for, albeit probably a little bit faster than I expected on this little grill. So all that said, I'm not going to let these go too much longer because you don't want to overcook your shrimp. But before we think about pulling these off the grill, we need to baste them in that gochujang honey glaze that we just made. So grab a spoon or a basting brush and apply the glaze to the top side of all of your shrimp. This is actually smelling really good already on this grill. I'm sure anybody who's walking around on the sidewalks outside and down below is probably getting a tasty whiff of this. Once the glaze is applied, shut the lid and cook for about 30 to 60 seconds. And after that short amount of time, we're going to open the lid once again, turn over all of our shrimp so that that sauce will be grill side down and will caramelize nicely, and apply the remainder of your chili sauce glaze to your shrimp skewers. And depending on how firm your shrimp felt when you flipped them, let this go for another 30 to 60 seconds. I only let my shrimp go for about 30 seconds for about 4 minutes of total cook time. So I'm going to go ahead and pull these guys off the grill. And you'll see the sauce has caramelized nicely on both sides of the shrimp. So these should be absolutely delicious. But there is one final step we need to do inside to finish off these shrimp skewers. And back inside, these shrimp smell and look delicious, but we are going to finish it off with some garnishes. First up is some chopped green onion. I used about 3 stalks worth of green onion today. And then follow that up by sprinkling some white sesame seeds. These give your shrimp skewers a nice finishing crunch. So that's it. Quick and easy Korean style Gochujang honey glazed shrimp skewers made on a Weber Q. So there you go, guys. That is my recipe for Gochujang honey glazed shrimp made on my new to me Weber Q 1200. Let me know in the comment section down below if you plan on trying out this recipe, or if you did, let me know how it went for you. Thank you very much as always for watching today. If you enjoyed the content on the show, hit that like button and subscribe. Don't forget to also hit that notification bell so that you can be alerted as to when new content drops when I go cooking on my Weber Q 2000 or my brand new to me Weber Q 1200. Stay safe, and I will see you all again next time. Bye now.